In this video, we listed the 5 best cordless vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Bissell CleanView XR. The Bissell cordless vacuum is designed with versatility and convenience in mind, making it suitable for all floor types. Weighing just 5.9 pounds, this lightweight vacuum features a powerful 21.6-volt battery that provides up to 35 minutes of cordless cleaning, allowing users to navigate their homes without being restricted by power outlets. The vacuum is equipped with a foam filter and includes useful components such as a dusting brush and a crevice tool, enhancing its cleaning capabilities. Additionally, it boasts a 40% more powerful motor than the Shark WA&D, ensuring effective dirt removal. Notably, every purchase contributes to the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission to help save homeless pets, underscoring the brand's commitment to social responsibility. With a 3-in-1 design, it can seamlessly transform into a stick vacuum, handheld vacuum, or high-reach vacuum, providing users with exceptional versatility in their cleaning tasks. Number 2. LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The LEVOIT cordless vacuum is designed for quick and efficient daily cleaning, offering up to 50 minutes of runtime in eco mode and powerful suction for tackling unexpected messes. Lightweight at 6.17 pounds, it features a flexible design that allows for easy maneuverability, including a 180 degrees flat position to reach under furniture and 3 LED lights for spotting dust. The vacuum comes equipped with various components, including a vacuum head, a 2-in-1 crevice tool, and a specialized pet tool to simplify the cleaning of pet hair and hard-to-reach areas. Its anti-tangle brush technology minimizes hair entanglement, making cleanup hassle-free, while the one-click dustbin emptying ensures easy storage after use. Ideal for hard floors and rugs, this battery-powered vacuum operates at 22.2 volts and is perfect for handling dry messes with convenience and speed. Number 3. Shark SV1106 Cordless Vacuum. The Shark Navigator cordless vacuum is a lightweight and portable cleaning solution that weighs only 7.5 pounds and operates on a 10.8-volt battery. Designed for versatility, it features a 2-speed brush roll optimized for effective cleaning on both carpets and hard floors, making it particularly efficient at picking up pet hair. The vacuum is bagless and equipped with a 0.64-quart dust cup for easy emptying, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without interruptions. Additionally, it comes with a precision charging base that doubles as a storage unit, providing a full charge in just 4 hours. The washable foam filters contribute to the vacuum's convenience, further enhancing its appeal for everyday use in various surfaces around the home. With a noise level of 80 dB, it strikes a balance between performance and quiet operation, making it an ideal choice for households seeking effective, portable cleaning solutions. Number 4. Dyson Digital Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson Digital Slim Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight, cordless, and bagless vacuum designed for versatile cleaning across all floor types. Weighing just 4.4 pounds, it is 33% lighter than its predecessor, the Dyson V11, while still providing up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction power. This model features a motorbar cleaner head that effectively deep cleans and detangles hair, along with 3 Dyson-engineered accessories for reaching high, low, and tight spaces. Its LCD screen displays power modes, maintenance alerts, and remaining run time, while 3 cleaning modes allow users to adjust suction power as needed. The vacuum can easily convert to a handheld unit for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. Advanced home machine filtration captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air is expelled. Constructed from durable, lightweight materials, the vacuum comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support, making it a reliable choice for efficient home cleaning. Number 5. Dreame R10 Pro. The Dreame Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight and versatile cleaning tool designed for effective deep cleaning across various surfaces, including hard floors and carpets. Weighing only 9.25 pounds, It features a powerful suction of 150 AW and boasts an impressive runtime of up to 65 minutes on a single charge, making it ideal for comprehensive home cleaning without interruptions. The vacuum is equipped with illuminating LED lights that enhance visibility in dark corners, while its dual brush head design, featuring a V-shaped and soft roller brush, efficiently captures fine dust and larger debris while protecting delicate floors from scratches. Additionally, the 5-layer refined filtration system captures 99.9% of fine particles, ensuring cleaner air, and the included accessories, such as a motorized mini-brush and crevice nozzle, provide flexibility for cleaning tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas.